Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are doing well. So today I'm going to share with you that how to change navigation button on your mobile phone. So if you wanna turn up this, or if you'd like to change this, or if you'd like to use digital navigation on your phone, so simply you need to go on settings. Or you can find out settings in two ways. You can search on simply settings, and then you need to find out the additional settings, or you can search on it, or you also can scroll down a little bit. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry, not additional settings. First of all, you need to go on accessibility. Sorry. Okay, so just simply press on accessibility, and then you need to find out system control. After pressing on system control, then you are seeing this page, and you can see system navigation. You can simply press on system navigation, and you can see three button navigation is allowed on my phone. If I would like to change three button navigation, so I will simply press on this navigation, so then it will be applied on my device. So you can see already three button navigation is gone. So now if I wanna just move, I will just simply press on side button, so it will back.